के मैं दीवाना लेकर आया हूँ दिल का नजराना, मेरे दिल की है जो दास्तां। सुनो ना सुन लो ना, हम सफर मुझी को चुन लो ना। सुनो ना सुन लो ना।
Saratoga's homegrown talent right here, Jayant Somani. Rocking talent. That was a lot of fun. Maja aa gaya, boss. That was nice. I got it. That was, I think, a Shah Rukh Khan movie, I remember. Right? Shah Rukh Khan. Anybody remembers the movie? Chalte Chalte. Wow, got some good memory there. Abhijit. All right. Yes. Absolutely. Come on. Yes, of course. We'll plug it in and.
It's a song called Hangover from Kick.
All right.
You know that song, Hangover?
Hangover. I'm kind of not plugged in right now, but you can come in. I'm gonna plug you in. Need the tune.
Yes, I know. Yeah.
Okay.
And here's the lyrics. I know the tune.
Okay. So you hold this. Come on in. It's hi. It's open mic. How are you, Corey?
We're just gonna spectate.
Okay. This is an opportunity for us to experiment because we have like 15-20 people, so people will experiment and do some crazy things.
Okay.
So don't mind this.
No.
And let's see.
Kick, Hangover.
Yes.
Just the tune.
जान कब होठों पे दिल ने रख दी दिल की बातें, समझा नहीं ये दिल इसको हम तो रहे समझाते। जान कब होठों पे दिल ने रख दी दिल की बातें, समझा नहीं ये दिल इसको हम तो रहे समझाते। मैंने देखा तुझे भुला के हर एक लड़की बलगा के, मैंने देखा तुझे सुनाने पर दिल से कभी न उतने हैंगओवर तेरी यादों का, हैंगओवर तेरी बातों का, हैंगओवर तेरी यादों का, हैंगओवर तेरी बातों का। कब मैंने नींदों रे सोई सोई रातों में, जाने कब मैंने नींद तो गया सोई तेरे तो बातों में, जाने कब मेरा नींद दे सोई सोई रातों में, जाने कब मेरे हाथ गया सोई तेरा हाथों में। चल बज तेरे और जब याद मुझे हूँ, क्या तुझसे दूर दूर तो पास तेरे आ जाता हूँ। मैंने देखा तुझे बुला के और एक तरकीब लगा के, मैंने आसमाने पद से कभी न उतने उतने उतने। हैंगओवर तेरी यादों का, हैंगओवर तेरी बातों का, हैंगओवर तेरी यादों का, हैंगओवर तेरी बातों का। एक जगह कभी टिका नहीं, एक जगह कभी टिका नहीं, एक जगह मुझे वैसा कोई दिखा नहीं हो। एक जगह पर कभी रुका नहीं, एक जगह पर टिका नहीं, जैसा मैंने चाहा तुम मुझे वैसा कोई दिखा नहीं। पर जब से देखा तुझे जो हुई नहीं वो होने लगा, दिल मेरा मुझे जगा के खुद सीने में सोने लगा। मैं फितरत बदल रहा जैसे बढ़कर कोई हुई है, बस आसमाने पर दिल से कभी न उतने उतने उतने। हैंगओवर तेरी यादों का, हैंगओवर तेरी बातों का, हैंगओवर तेरी यादों का, हैंगओवर तेरी बातों का।
That was good. Rahul. So everyone gets a chance to perform. So Paul and Corinne, you will have an opportunity too.
Yeah, great.
But it's kind of like I said, experimental. So people get up here, they perform, and next thing you know, they are the huge star in Saratoga. So we have a stand-up comedy routine, not now, but it will be coming up next, and we'll wait for that. And we have Rasika. Rasika, all the way from which city are you coming from? From? Sunnyvale, all the way from Sunnyvale. Let's have a big round of applause for Rasika. And first time ever. So let's have a big round of applause. So we'll put up a whiteboard there, and then we'll run through all the performers for the evening. That'll be a lineup. Tell us what you do for a living. Which school you went to? Clemson University. Let's hear about it.
I came here to the United States, and I did my master's in biomedical engineering, so I'm a biomedical engineer. And I went to Clemson. I recently moved to California, early this year, and came across this event, so I'm super excited. about the song. This is from a movie called Ek Villain, a very recent movie that came in 2014. And this is an unplugged version. This is actually sung by the lead actress, Shraddha Kapoor. Yeah, I think that's her debut singing performance. Oh, I think it's Siddharth Malhotra. Yeah.
Musik has got everything packed down. Has anybody seen Ek Villain yet? Look at that.
Ritesh Deshmukh is the villain.
Oh, Ritesh Deshmukh is the villain.
Yes. Villain.
Did you give us the?
Oh, and the song I sang, just let you know, the song I sang, what she sang, I sang a song called Hangover. It's from the movie King, features Jacqueline in the song.
All
And
right.
Randeep Kota and Nawazuddin Singh.
Are you ready for your dance?
I'm not dancing. I'm
No?
not going to dance. This is how I want to sing that.
Okay. So that little kid there, fresh powder, time to. Yes. Are you ready? You gonna come up and do something? Come. You gonna sing for us? All right. I love this. What's your name? I forget your name. Ojas. Yes, of course. How could I forget your name? What you gonna sing? Tell us. Here.
I'm gonna sing Jive Vibe by Train. So it's it's not
It's not for any movie. No movie on this one. So what I do is I set up the. Would you like to hold the mic? I can play it. I can put it over there, and you can hold the mic. Would you like to do that?
I can,
Oh, you need them.
yeah.
Then I can put it on a stand for you. What grade are you? Like 11th grade in high school? No.
I'm in 4th grade. Blue Hills Elementary.
Is it all blue in color?
No, it's brown.
So why is it called blue? Dad will think about it.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. On the side street I knew, stood no rather than you. I guess the stage I was but I thought this can't be true. But you moved to West LA or New York or Santa Fe or wherever to get away from me. Oh, but that one night was more than just right. I didn't need you, 'cause I was all through. Oh, I was overwhelmed, and frankly scared as hell, because I really fell for you. Oh, I There's nothing up my sleeve but love for you and the time to get my head together too. On the other side, see that you, still a girl that looks like you. I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true. 'Cause oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by, just a shy guy looking forward to now. And that's a whole when you move me, everything is good. They don't like it soon. Oh, the way you do. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by.
That was spectacular. Maybe one more song? Maybe think about it. Yeah? All right. That was gorgeous. Okay. So, I think we have Vidushi up next. Vidushi is, so if you sang the song at the 5 to 12 of Saratoga's Got Talent, you might have gotten the first prize. That was very well done. And Vidushi was at our annual competition earlier this year in August. And she does a fantastic stand-up routine. So I'm pretty delighted to have Vidushi back. Let's have a big round of applause for Vidushi. Vidushi just went to San Jose State and finished a master's in mechanical engineering.
Yeah, so I'm Vidushi, and I'm 14 years old. I go to Lynbrook High School, and I'm a freshman. And today I'm going to attempt to do stand-up comedy.
All right.
So, as you can see, I'm Indian, in case you didn't guess. My parents are too. Yeah, so basically they take me to a lot of Indian weddings, like